Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you inside the famous Yangon Secretariat, where history, architecture, and beautiful green spaces come together. Come along and explore with me. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're visiting one of the most remarkable landmarks in Myanmar, the Yangon Secretariat, a place where history, architecture, and national heritage come together. Located in the heart of downtown Yangon, this magnificent red brick complex has stood for well over a century. More than just an architectural masterpiece, it has witnessed some of the most significant moments in Myanmar's history. As we walk through its beautiful gardens, grand courtyards, and historic corridors, let's discover the fascinating story behind this iconic building. This iconic the Yangon Secretariat, was built during the period of British colonial rule. Construction began in 1889 and continued in several phases until 1905. The building was designed to serve as the administrative headquarters of British Burma, where the colonial government managed the country's political, financial, and administrative affairs. The architects combined Victorian and Renaissance architectural styles, creating a structure that was both elegant and functional. Built with distinctive red bricks, decorative arches, high ceilings, wide verandas, and spacious courtyards, the Secretariat quickly became one of the largest and most impressive government buildings in Southeast Asia. The entire complex covers more than 16 acres, with several interconnected buildings surrounding large open courtyards. Even today, it remains one of the finest examples of colonial architecture in Myanmar wielding. For decades, the Secretariat was the center of government administration. Important decisions affecting the entire country were made within these walls. British governors, senior officials, and administrators worked here, overseeing everything from finance and trade to public works and education. The building was designed to suit Myanmar's tropical climate. Notice the wide corridors, tall windows, and high ceilings. These features helped improve ventilation and kept the rooms cool long before modern air conditioning existed. As you explore the building, you'll notice beautiful staircases, elegant hallways, cast iron railings, and carefully crafted brickwork. Every detail reflects the craftsmanship of the late 19th century. However, the Yangon Secretariat is remembered not only for its architecture, but also for one of the most important events in Myanmar's modern history. On July 19, 1947, General Aung San, widely regarded as the father of modern Myanmar, attended a cabinet meeting inside this building. During that meeting, General Aung San and 6 members of his cabinet were assassinated. The attack shocked the nation and occurred only months before Myanmar achieved independence from Britain on January 4, 1948. This tragic event is commemorated every year as Martyrs' Day, observed on July 19th. People across Myanmar pay tribute to General Aung San and the other national leaders who lost their lives while working toward an independent nation. Today, the room where this historic event took place has been preserved as an important memorial.
And we go ring it right back. Tell him, man, you know I'm suited, but I ain't never gonna slack.
Following independence, the Secretariat continued to function as a government office for many years. Various ministries operated from this complex, making it one of the country's busiest administrative centers. As Yangon expanded and government offices gradually relocated to Naypyidaw in the 2000s, the Secretariat became less active. For many years, much of the building remained closed to the public. Despite its historical importance, time, weather, and limited maintenance caused parts of the structure to deteriorate. Recognizing its tremendous historical and architectural value, restoration efforts began to preserve the Secretariat for future generations. The restoration work focuses on maintaining the building's original character while improving safety and accessibility. Architects and conservation specialists have carefully repaired brickwork, restored wooden doors and windows, strengthened structural elements, and preserved many original design features. Today, visitors can once again admire the impressive halls, elegant staircases, peaceful courtyards, and historic rooms that had remained hidden for decades. The Secretariat has become an important cultural destination, attracting historians, students, photographers, architects, and travelers from around the world. One of the most striking features of the Yangon Secretariat is its remarkable architecture. The long, symmetrical corridors create beautiful perspectives that photographers love. Large arched windows allow natural sunlight to fill the interiors. The red brick exterior, decorative towers, spacious courtyards, and graceful balconies make every corner of the building visually stunning. Walking through these halls feels like stepping back in time. Even after more than 100 years, much of the original craftsmanship remains visible. Today, the Yangon Secretariat represents much more than an old government building. It tells the story of Myanmar's colonial past, its journey toward independence, and the sacrifices made by those who dreamed of a free nation. For many people, this building symbolizes resilience, remembrance, and national identity. Every brick, every corridor, and every courtyard carries memories of the people who shaped the country's history.
You think I'm not? Let me remind you if you forgot. I'm not the 1 or the 2 or the 3 or the 5. Girl, you need space, go ahead, get your life. While you're searching, hope you find. Act right, saying you're fine. Read between lines, I was born at night, not last night. I can't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. What you really got up your sleeve? I don't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve. Something's up your silky little sleeve. Silky little sleeve.
Today, visitors come here not only to learn about history, but also to appreciate its magnificent architecture and peaceful atmosphere. Whether you're passionate about history, architecture, photography, or simply enjoy exploring unique places, the Yangon Secretariat offers an unforgettable experience. Take your time to admire the intricate details, Walk through the spacious courtyards and imagine the countless historic moments that unfolded within these walls.
Silky little sleigh, your silky little sleigh. Something's up your silky little sleigh.
As our journey through the Yangon Secretariat comes to an end, I hope you've enjoyed discovering one of Myanmar's most significant historical landmarks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tour, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join me as we continue exploring more beautiful places, fascinating history, and hidden gems across Myanmar. See you in the next adventure.